Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income proof video, I'd like to share with you how to earn $500 per month with offers from the Warrior Plus marketplace. If you're not familiar with the Warrior Plus marketplace, it's been around online since 2006. So it's coming up to its 18th year in business. And I want to show you some products that I recommend to all my students. I'm going to show you the reasons why I recommend them, why they're in demand, and why they convert so well. So first of all, I'm live here in my account, and Warrior Plus give you, these are affiliate transactions. So that's the last 30 days, which is the column here in the right hand side, 551. And if we go into the last month over here, you'll see last month was a total of $579 in commissions. Total products sold in sales 1,117, and the total amount of products that were sold were 123 products. And I'll come to the reason shortly of why that number is as it is. So first of all, let's just have a look at what these offers are. They are predominantly, not all of them, but they are predominantly autopilot buyers traffic offers. And what I want to do is I want to give you a strategy. I want to show you how to get your traffic for free. That's the first step, not just buying the traffic to promote your offers, but get your traffic for free. And then that way you can start to buy even more traffic. And each of these have got multiple income stream offers built into them. So you're just going to promote one link, and you've got an opportunity, if the members decide to upgrade, to earn multiple income streams. I'm going to show you some proof of how that works shortly in the video. And the key thing with this strategy is a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. This is what all the six-figure earners do to become successful online. They take an offer, they get into profit with that offer as an affiliate. I'm going to give you the strategy to do that. And then what they do is they take a percentage of those profits to buy more traffic. So what happens is when a lot of affiliate marketers come online, they start to buy traffic from their job income, from their wages, from their savings or their bank account, and you can very easily start to lose money if you don't get into profit. So my strategy will teach you how to get into profit every single month and start the beginning of every month in profit. So you're no longer buying, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, you're no longer buying your traffic from your wages. And I'm also going to show you an opportunity where you can earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just showing you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of these offers, which I am. I'm a member of each and every one. And also, as a member, you can become an affiliate to promote these offers. So let's have a look first of all at the I'm going to scroll down a bit further here and show you these circular arrows here. So these are the monthly recurring payments coming in here. 7 months in a row, 7 months in a row. They're quite new. 3 months. There's some higher ones down here. 14 months in a row, 8 months in a row, 15 months in a row. Now, when you've got a membership, when you promote a membership offer, then these are members that are very happy and they're paying every single month. So you start the beginning of every month, 10 months in a row, 16 months in a row, 4 months, 3 months, 22 months in a row. You start the beginning of every month with a solid and stable income because you've got a database of members that are very happy. A lot of them are affiliates. So like myself, I pay my membership every month because I'm an affiliate and I'm in profit. So if you refer members that become affiliates and they get into profit, then you could potentially start to earn these long-term monthly recurring payments. Now, when you see the gaps here, these are new ones coming in. I'm going to show you shortly how that works as well. Now, before I do that, I want to show you how this is a growing income. So I'm going to go into last year. I'm going to go into last year because you've got to promote products that are in demand. The traffic niche is an evergreen niche. So everyone needs traffic and everyone needs more and more traffic. That's why I recommend you spend a percentage of your time promoting traffic offers like these. So this is for last year. This is for the 1st of January last year to 31st of December. And if we have a look, once you make a mental note, I want to show you the growth of how this can work as a strategy. So last year, 2022, 462 products sold, $4,000 in sales, and nearly $2,000 in commissions. So we're going to make a mental note of that. 462, 4,000 in sales, and nearly 2,000 in commissions. Now, if we go this year to date, so let's come down here and we go, Warrior Plus is great for giving you all these stats and data so you can really monitor your progress, see that it's working for you. Now, year to date so far, so this year to date, in 2023, we're up to the 4th of December. So I've got nearly a month to go yet within December. So last year we had 400 and something products sold. This year we're on to nearly 1,200. So we've trebled the amount of products sold. The commissions were 4,000 and now they're the sales were 4,000 and now they're 10,000. And the commissions were nearly 2,000. So they'll be approaching 6,000. So we've trebled the income as well. And you see here, the recurring payments is one of the main reasons, 16 months in a row. The recurring payments are one of the main reasons. Now, the other reason is that if I go live into my Gmail account here, this is where I get my notification for all my Warrior Plus commissions. And what you'll see here is that each of these offers that I'm sharing with you today have got multiple income streams. I always recommend you promote multiple income stream offers. So one-time offers are great. I do those as well. But what you'll see here with Easy Clicks is that I've highlighted in the blue the upgrades. So the member has come in at here and bought Easy Clicks Instant Traffic Autopilot. And then the triple traffic upgrade is where they can put 3 offers into the system. So all the dates are on the right-hand side here. Now, when I scroll down, you'll see that roughly 1 in 3 are upgrading. So anything in white is not an upgrade. But when you've got a block here of 6, then that's 3 in a row that have joined and upgraded. Another one in white, they haven't. A block of 4 here is where 2 in a row is upgraded. Now, as I scroll down and you look at all the white versus blue, you'll see that probably, I think about 1 in 3, 4 in a row never there, but 3 in a row graded here. So what the product owners have done, they put other products into the system, into the funnel. That if members are going to get value and upgrade, they're going to get value and help them build the business faster, then they will upgrade. So you'll see with Easy Clicks, we're going all the way back here, right back all this year, going all the way. So it's not just a one-off or a two-off or a bit of a fluke. This is consistent upgrade. This one here was 2, 4, 6, 8. This was five in a row that came in January and February. 5 in a row upgraded within the system there. So these are products that I recommend. This is how you start to build up your commissions by promoting one link. And then for higher commissions, a good example here is with, these are all my Warrior Plus new ones coming in, but this is a recent offer by Dawood, who's a six-figure earner, and this is $114 here, and you'll see some higher commissions here, $22, $17, $11, $22, $12. Again, this is a done-for-you funnel where you promote one link. So this is what I recommend that you search. You can either use the products that I use or go into the Warrior Plus marketplace yourself, and then you can find products that have got that are high converting but have got multiple income streams built into a funnel. This is a strategy that I teach my students, so it's how you can earn daily commissions, automated daily commissions, and earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. How you can too, that's more importantly. So if you watch my video tutorial here, then this outlines a strategy that I follow to show you the results that I've got on here today. This is a complete strategy. It's very beginner friendly. It's just 3 or 4 simple steps that you follow. And if you watch that video there, I take you straight through the whole thing, step by step in that video. And it's a lot more than how to get your buyer traffic for free. It's about getting automated daily commissions and multiple income streams, plus more than that as well. Now, this page I'm going to pin to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And if you want to join any of the offers, you can join them from here. I started with the Click engine with the strategy, which was about 22 months ago now, I think. That was my very first Warrior Plus product. And then each of these, you can get more information on these if you just click these buttons here. And if you want to, they'll open up in a new tab and get more information there or join through there. You can get this page here for free. If you want to duplicate this page, just join Leads Leap here for free lifetime membership. Copy and paste this code into Leads Leap. It'll completely duplicate the page for you. I've done a tutorial video there that will show you how to set up the page. And again, very beginner friendly. If you want to use a page like this to promote, you can edit it. You can put you can put different offers into here. You can edit it, customize it. It's really simple to do. The video tutorial will show you how to do that. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content today, Warrior Plus or the products or anything at all, I'm a member of each and every one of these. I use them every day to build my online business. I'm an affiliate for all of them, so I understand how everything works. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So all the links will be in the description if you want to join any of the offers, and the page that I showed you will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.